Good morning, children. Now let us start with the practical geometry. This is called practical geometry. You write practical geometry in separate notebook in 9th standard idea. Okay? 9th standard. Actually, put the heading practical geometry. Type 1. Construction of pair of tangents to a circle from an external point. This is a heading. Am I right? Now the question is example 3.41. Example 3.41. What is the question? Draw a circle of diameter. Read the question clearly. With diameter given me, we want radius. To draw a circle, we need only radius. That's why diameter is what? 6 cm. We want radius. Half of the diameter is called radius. That's very important. But radius is given, no problem. Diameter given, that's why to find the radius. Diameter 6 cm from the point P, which is 8 cm away from the center. Draw the tangents P and BB to circle and also measure the length. Now this type of problem, radius given me, diameter is the radius. Diameter given me, divided by 2. That's important. Now fair diagram, rough diagram, fair diagram. That's important. This is practical geometry, rough diagram, fair diagram, then construction. These three busts. Rough diagram is a circle. Am I right? Center. This is 3 cm radius. Am I right? Radius is what? 3 cm. 3 cm. 3 cm. Why? Because circle. Center is 3 cm. 3 cm. Center is O. 3 cm. Center is O. Now, from the center, 8 cm away is the point P. This is 8 cm. Draw a tangent is what? From point P, draw two tangents. This is called BA. BA. This is called what? B. This is rough diagram without any measurement. This is what? Rough diagram. This is rough diagram. That's why this is a rough. 8 cm away, then from the center to P, that is outside the point now, that is 8 cm. Radius is what? 3 cm. 8 cm, 8 cm. This is what? 3 cm. Center. This is rough diagram. Very, very important. Diameter 6 cm is given. We want radius, that's why 3 cm. 3 cm radius. Am I right? 8 cm away from the center. The center away from the center. Draw a circle of 3 cm radius. 8 cm away from the center. This will be P. Now from P to two tangent. Tangent, what is the meaning? A line touches the circle is called tangent. A line, suppose a circle. This is a line. A line touches the circle at only one point is called, this is called tangent. Am I right? Yes, sir. Line passes the center is called, this is diameter. Half of the diameter is called radius. This is radius. Am I right? This is a line does not pass through the center is called chord. A line in the circle is called, this is called secant. This is the meaning. In a circle, a line touches the circle. At only one point is called tangent. This is what? Tangent. A line touches the circle is called tangent. Same thing, from a line passes the center is called diameter. Then half of the length is what? Radius. Radius. One more thing, a line does not pass to the center. This is called chord. The same thing, this means what? A line intersects the circle is called secant. Secant. S-E-C-A-N-T. Secant. Radius, diameter, chord, secant, tangent. This is important concept today. You must know the concept. Now, here what is our saying? Diameter is given, we need radius. That's why half of the diameter is called radius. Now, this type of problem, first draw the rough diagram. Then flat diagram. What does it mean? With the help of compass, put one point in the center, this O. Am I right? Put the point, one point with the center O. Try a circle of 3 centimeter radius. With the help of compass, try a circle 3 centimeters. In this way, try a circle. This is a try a circle center. Am I right? First part over. With the help of compass to try a circle with central pole. Next is what is the condition given? Diameter, half of the diameter is what? This is radius. First one over. Now, which is 8 centimeter away from center. By use the scale from here to here, try a 8 centimeter line. This will be. This is called 8 centimeter radius. 8 centimeter away. This is important. This is the main thing. You want try a circle and 8 centimeter away from center. This only refer the question. By use the given measurement, try a line and circle. This is important concept. Afterwards, name and consider question. Hereafter, the same concept. Again, take the compass. By using the compass, take more than half of the length of OP. That is what? 8 centimeters are there. Approximately 4 centimeters middle part. You will take more than half. That is what? Approximately 6 centimeters. Without any measurement. More than half means what? More than half. More than half means what? Exactly half is what? 4 centimeter. More than half means what? More than 4 centimeter. Either 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Whatever may be. That's one rough calculation. More than half of the length. Take the length. By using the compass, cut the arc from O to here and here. Above, below. Take the measurement of OP. 8 centimeter I already know. Take more than half of the length of OP. Approximately 6 centimeter or 6.5 or 7 or 5, 5.5, whatever it may be. Only rough calculation. Take more than half of the length, cut the arc from O, here, above and below. The same length, I use the same length, cut the arc from O to this previous arc and here also, this one, above below. The both arcs intersect each other, no? By using the long scale, try right. By using the long scale, try a straight line. Now, this straight line to intersect here, no? Let it be here. This is called midpoint. This line, the point is always total 8, no? Definitely 4 centimeters will come. Definitely. Otherwise, you are calculating something wrong. Now, once again, by using the help of compass, with the M center, the OM radius. Take the measurement. OM radius. Try one more circle. From M, the center. Take this radius. Try a circle. Start from here to here. Definitely a circle passes through O and P. This is another circle. That's all. Now, first circle and the second circle is to cut intersect at here, no? Now, this will be A, this is B. Okay? Now, join the line. P to A, then B to B. This is called tangent circle. That's all. This is the answer. Now, this is dot line. Join OA and OB. This is the diagram. That's all. Very simple concept. From the question, first try a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Diameter given, that's why divided by 2, that is 3 centimeter. Suppose radius instead of diameter, simple radius 6 centimeter means try a circle of radius 6 centimeter. But here, 3 centimeter, that's important. Try a circle of radius with center to O. This is radius, try a circle with center to O. Afterwards, 8 centimeter away from center is given, from the center, in the scale, mark the distance 8 centimeter away. This is B. OP. After what I told you, take more than half of OP. Approximately take the length of, take more than half of the length by using a compass. Cut the arc from O, above, below. The same length without change any measurement. From cut the arc again from B to above, below. The both arcs are intersect each other, no? Here and here. That is join the line. After dividing this line, to intersect OP or to M, this is called midpoint. M represent midpoint. Definitely 8 centimeter means measure length 4 centimeter definitely will come. Now again with the MS center, the OMS radius, tricircle, definitely a circle pass through the O and the P. That's important. This end and this end. Definitely complete circle. Further, to intersect the previous circle at A and B. Join P to A, B to B. The BA and the BB are the two tangents. That's all. This is the idea. 1 second I want to explain everything because it is important 8-mark question. In quarterly examination, graph already over. Now geometry, practical geometry. This is the first stage actually. What I told you, rough diagram. One small circle, rough diagram is the circle. This will be O. From O to P, the 8 centimeter. Am I correct? Rough diagram only no. That's why tangent this one. From A, here B, cap A, here B, fine. That's all. This is 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter. In this way, draw the diagram. Without any measurement, draw the diagram. Edit out, refer the book actually. Edit out, refer the book. Now, third diagram. What I told you? O center, tricircle. 3 centimeter radius. Then the from O, 8 centimeter away, 8 centimeter. This is the given measurement, 3 centimeter radius circle, and OP is 8 centimeter away from the center. Next one I told you, from O, take more than half of the length of OP, cut the above and below. The same measurement from P to up the here and here. Now join the both arc. Am I right? It will be M. With the MS center, the OMS radius tricircle start from O. Definitely both circles and circle is start with O mean, pass into the P and come into the O. Same thing will come, definitely will come. To intersect the previous circle A here and AB. First circle and second circle to intersect at O, A and B. Now what is asking? 2 tangents, you know, from P to A join circle. I use long scale, like passing through O, extend this one. Here also the same thing. Am I correct? By using scale, about put top line. That's all. This is actually radius 3 centimeter, the full length is 8 centimeter. In this way, you got it. Full length OP is 8 centimeter, the OA radius is 3 centimeter. This is the diagram. Afterwards, write the construction. What is the construction? You can write the construction simply, easy, only 4 or 5 points only. And also, measure the length also asking. That means what? The length of PA is asking. That's what's important. Now, what is the construction? The first point, with the center O, with center to O, try a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Try a line OP equal to 8 centimeter. Try a perpendicular bisector of OP, let it be M. Try a perpendicular bisector of OP, let it be M. Now, with the MS under MO's radius, try a circle which cuts the previous circle at A and B. Join AP and BB. Therefore, AP and BB are the required tangents. Now, length of the measure asking, measures of the length asking, BA and BB is asking. By using the scale, you will measure the length BA and BB, that is the answer. And also verify whether this answer is correct or not by using a small calculation. That is extra work. Verify the measure or measure the length asking me, verification also you want right. That's the extra work actually. Sometimes this is not asking me, verification is not necessary. But here, verification also asking. Verification means measure the length also asking. This is a question. Diameter given me, divided by there is radius, rough diagram, then pair diagram. That's important. Am I right? Now, and then this is the construction. That's all. Now write the construction. What I told you, cosine, rough diagram, now construction. With center to O, try a circle of radius 3 cm. Try a circle of 3 radius. Then try a line OP equal to 8 cm. OP equal to 8 cm. Try a perpendicular bisector. That is what? Take more than half of length. Cut the arc from what to above below, from P above below. Try a line. This is called perpendicular bisector. That is what? Midpoint. Try a perpendicular bisector of OP which cuts OP at M. Okay? With M as center and MO as radius, try a circle which cuts the previous circles at A and B. Join BA and BB. Therefore, BA and BB are the required tangents. PA equal to BB equal to 7.4. By using the long scale, vessel length PA and BB will be always equal. And verification, this is actually one right angle triangle. O, A, P is a right angle triangle. In the right triangle OAP, we need PA, no? PA equal to, by using Pythagoras theorem, root of bigger number 8 square minus small number 3 square. 8. Actually, this is a 90 degree. The opposite is hypotenuse. That's why always bigger number, first one, bigger number square minus small number square. Subtract squaring both 64 minus 9, 55. Root of 55, approximately by using long division method, 7.4 definitely will come. Therefore, both answers will be equal. That's very important. By using measure length of B and BB by using the help of scale, then after we use the calculation also, by using the square root idea also, the same answer will come. Am I right? Definitely equal answer will come. That's all. You measure the length, the same answer here also will come. Am I right? This is the important construction. In part which I am giving rough diagram, fair diagram, construction. These three must, very, very important. Okay, now another question. Now listen here, exercise 4.4, question number 13. Draw the two tangents from a point which is 10 cm away from center of radius 5 cm. The same concept. That's why first try a rough diagram. What I told you, it's one small circle. Center. Outside the point P. This is O, this is B. Now triangle. Am I right? Tangent means a line touches circle at one point. The rough diagram only. Rough diagram only. A, B. This is a rough diagram. Measurement is what? Radius is given, that's why it is 5 cm. Length is what? 10 cm. Am I right? That's all. This is a rough diagram. Try a rough diagram by using the first 1 to 2 kind or pro circle, small circle. By the help of scale, try a line. Now fair diagram. What I told you, first put the point, small point, that is center O. With O center, try a circle of radius 5 cm radius. Am I right? This circle. 5 cm radius. Then what I told you, from center, try a line 10 cm. It will be. Same thing. Radius directly given. That's why try a circle of diameter given divided by 2. We want radius. But radius directly given. Try a circle of 5 cm radius. Then 10 cm away from the center of circle. Then as usual, by using the compass from O, take more than half of length, cut the here and here. Similarly, from here to here. Now join the line. It will be M. With M as center, M as radius, try a circle, one more circle. The circle is to pass through exactly O and B. That's important. It will be A, is B. Am I right? Now join BA, B. Put the top line. Here measurement is what? Here 5 cm, here 10 cm. That's all. The diagram. Same diagram, same diagram. Now write the construction. Measure. What is asking? Length of geometry asking. Now usually in graph, you know, cosine, rough diagram, fair diagram one side. Another side construction. In this way you want it. Then only read actually. First write the question, then rough diagram, then construction, the diagram, then in this way you want it. Now, the rough diagram, pair diagram, exercise are on pencil. Then construction we use the pen, that's important. Now construction is what? With center O at O, try a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Am I right? Small change. Draw the line of OP what? 10 centimeter. Then try a perpendicular parallel of OP which cuts OP at M, the same thing. With the M center and the MOS radius, try a circle which cuts the previous circle to A and B. Join BA and BB. Therefore, BA and BB are left hand tangent. These are same. Now by using the scale, measurements. Now calculation is what? Verify the measurement also, you know. Inside square root, what is the number? Inside square root, what is the number? What is the bigger number? 100. 10 actually. Become 10, you know, 10 square. Small number 5 square. Okay? 100 minus 20 equal to what? 75. Root of 75 can be written as 3 into 25. For 3 into root of 20 is what? 25 into 3 actually. Actually, 75 is what? Root of 25 into 3. Am I correct? This is good. What is the reason? Root of 25 is 5. Root 3 only. Now, this actually not necessary. Not necessary directly do the calculation. Root of 75 is what? Square root of 75 is what actually? Square root of 75 is what? Long division method. Excel going on again. 8 are 64. 9 are 81. That's why what? 8 times. 8 are 64. What is the number? 1 1. Power 2 number. Am I correct? Now find here. 8 plus 16. Now how many is here? 1100. Here 16 is there. You want to put some number. 16 and suppose I am putting 8 means you want to multiply in this way. Multiply 64, 6, 48, 54, 5, 30. More number is coming. That's what you do. Next is what? Approximately you will suppose put in 6. Here also 6. What is the answer? 36. That is 9, 33. Am I correct? Up to 18.6. In this way, approximately, this is what approximate count only. By using the scale also, you will get the measurement. Approximately 8 point something will come. That is the answer. 8.6 centimeter. Do the rough calculation. Or otherwise, by using the scale, measure the length, the same length will come definitely. 8.6. Sometimes 8.5 will come approximately. That is not a matter. Anyway, you want verification. Measure the length of the measure. Like asking me, you write the verification also. Sometimes this last line not involving me, the verification not necessary. That is the answer. Now the exercise 4.4, 15th question. Draw the two tangents from a point which is 5 centimeter away from the center of the circle of diameter 6 centimeter. Also measure length of the tangent. The same thing. Now what is given? Diameter is 6 centimeter is given. We need radius. Radius is what? Half of the length of the diameter. 6.3 centimeter. This example. Then rough diagram. Try a circle of radius 3 centimeter. 5 centimeter away. Try 2 tangents. This diagram. The same thing. What I told you? First to put the point. The center go. Try a circle with 3 centimeters. Try a circle 3 centimeters. Then 5 centimeter away. No? Away. 5 centimeter away. Small line will come. Next is what? Now take more than half of the length. Cut here, cut. From here to here, cut. Now actually the length is what? 5 centimeter. Diameter is what? 6. Radius is what? 3 centimeter. But definitely the line is inside the circle only will come. That's important. That is not a matter. That is not a matter. The circle is maybe outside the circle or on the circle or inside the circle. That is not a matter. But the line is what? 5 centimeter means is midpoint, no? Definitely half of the 2 point will come. That's important. Then MS center, MS area, tricircle. That means what? Tricircle. Now join the A, PIQ, no? B to A, B to B. This answer. Very important. Already told you. The arc either may be inside circle or on the circle, outside the circle. That is not a matter. Because we will take more than half of the length. You know. Someone small length will come means small length taken means the arc may be inside circle or more than half. 70% you will take means on the circle. More than 70 means away the circle. That's why the arc is not a matter. Either outside circle, on the circle, outside circle, inside circle. That is not a matter. And a perpendicular Python also outside circle or on the circle, in the circle. No problem. This idea. Now the construction is easy for you. The same thing. The center to O, try circle radius. That is what? 3 centimeter. Next is what? Draw the line. OP is what? 5 centimeter. The same thing. Draw a perpendicular Python of OP which cuts OP at M. With the MS center and MO's radius, draw a circle which cuts the three circles A and B. Join BA and BB. BA and BB are the required tangents. Now, calculate the measurement. Here, root of bigger number is what? Radius is what? Start with the draw line. This is called 3 centimeter. The length is what? 5 centimeter. Okay, therefore, now 5 square minus 3 square. 5 square is what? 25. 3 square is 9. Root of 16 is what? 4 centimeter. Exactly 4 centimeter will come. Verify the answer by the scale 4 centimeter. By using the calculation also 4 centimeter. Both answers will be equal. Definitely will come. We have this morning we have only 4 problems. I did the example problem, 13th problem, 14th problem, 15th problem, 14th problem homework. Refer the book, do yourself. The same method. Geometry box must, in the geometry box consists all the instrument, compass, scale is very important. And also, you will buy new one actually because the set square, we need set square also. That's why geometry box consists all the instruments. That's very important. The practical exam is very important. 8 mark question, already told you. Craft also 8 mark question. The quarterly exam also, this type of geometry will come. Thorough well. We have only 4 for this model. We have 3 types are there. First type, we have only 4 problems. 3 problems are classwork. Only 1 problem have homework. Refer this problem and go to the problem. Do the homework problem also. Tomorrow, you will complete all the 4 problems in separate notebook. Practical notebook. That's very important. That's all. Today, that's all.